Every year, billions of sardines make an extraordinary journey. From vast schools swimming beneath the ocean's surface to neatly packed cans found in supermarkets around the world, these small fish play a surprisingly big role in global food production. Affordable, nutritious, and remarkably versatile, canned sardines have become a staple food for millions of people. But have you ever wondered how they are made? How are billions of sardines caught, processed, preserved, and delivered while maintaining their quality and flavor? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of one of the world's most fascinating food industries. This is the incredible journey of canned sardines, from the open sea to your dinner table. Sardines are among the most widely consumed fish species on Earth. Each year, more than 3 million tons of sardines are harvested from oceans around the globe. A significant portion of this massive catch is destined for canning facilities, where billions of cans are produced annually. Packed in olive oil, vegetable oil, tomato sauce, or brine, canned sardines are sold in nearly every country. Their popularity comes from a combination of affordability, long shelf life, and exceptional nutritional value. But before they reach factory production lines, everything begins at sea. The best time to catch sardines is often during the late afternoon and evening hours. As darkness approaches, sardines move closer to the surface to feed on plankton. Because they travel in enormous schools, fishermen can target thousands of fish at once. The most common fishing method is known as purse seining. Large vessels locate a school of sardines and deploy a massive circular net around it. The boat slowly surrounds the school, creating a giant underwater enclosure. Once the fish are trapped inside, the bottom of the net is drawn closed like a purse, preventing escape. The entire school can then be lifted toward the surface. For generations, fishermen relied on experience, seabirds, and subtle signs on the water to locate sardines. Today, advanced technology has transformed the process. Modern fishing fleets use sonar and radar systems capable of detecting schools deep beneath the ocean's surface. These systems emit sound waves that travel through the water. When the waves strike a school of fish, they bounce back to the vessel. Powerful computers analyze the returning signals, revealing the size, density, and location of the school. What once took hours of searching can now be accomplished in minutes. Speed is critical. The quality of canned sardines depends heavily on freshness. Immediately after capture, the fish are transferred from the nets into refrigerated storage tanks. Ice or chilled seawater rapidly lowers their temperature, slowing bacterial growth and preserving quality. Within hours, fishing vessels return to port. The sardines are unloaded and prepared for transportation to processing facilities. In many operations, the entire journey from ocean to factory takes less than 24 hours. This carefully controlled cold chain ensures that the fish arrive in excellent condition. Without it, quality would decline rapidly. Freshness is everything. Every day, major canning plants process enormous quantities of fish. Some facilities handle close to 1 million sardines daily. When the fish arrive, the clock is already ticking. Many factories begin processing within just a few hours of receiving the catch. The sardines are first placed in chilled water to maintain low temperatures throughout the operation. Quality control teams inspect samples from each batch. They evaluate size, freshness, texture, and overall condition before production begins. Only then does the transformation start. The first major stage is cleaning. The heads and internal organs must be removed before further processing. In some facilities, this work is performed by highly skilled workers using knives and specialized tools. Their experience allows them to process fish quickly while minimizing waste. In larger factories, automated systems handle much of the task. The sardines travel along conveyor belts into machines equipped with precision blades and gripping mechanisms. Within seconds, the heads and viscera are removed. The cleaned fish continue down the production line, ready for the next stage. This combination of human expertise and industrial automation allows factories to process massive volumes efficiently.
Before cooking, sardines are often immersed in a saltwater solution known as brine. This step may last around 30 minutes. Brining serves several purposes. It enhances flavor, improves texture, and helps prepare the fish for preservation. After soaking, the sardines are carefully arranged on metal racks. They are then rinsed to remove excess salt. At this point, the fish are ready for cooking. Cooking methods vary between manufacturers, but the goal remains the same: producing safe, flavorful, and high-quality food. One common approach involves pre-cooking the sardines before they are placed into cans. The fish are transferred into large industrial steam ovens operating at temperatures between 100 and 120 degrees Celsius. Inside these chambers, carefully controlled steam cooks the fish evenly. The process typically lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. Steam cooking helps preserve texture while preventing excessive drying. The result is a tender product that maintains its natural flavor. But this is only one of several methods used by the industry. Some manufacturers take a different approach. Instead of cooking the sardines beforehand, they place them directly into cans while still raw. Oil, olive oil, water, brine, or tomato sauce is added. The cans are then sealed and subjected to intense heat treatment. This process occurs inside industrial pressure vessels known as autoclaves. Autoclaves use high-pressure steam to sterilize food products. Temperatures can exceed 130 degrees Celsius. Inside the sealed can, the sardines cook completely while harmful microorganisms are destroyed. Depending on the product and container size, the process may last anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes. Afterward, the cans are gradually cooled to prevent damage or deformation. This technique allows cooking and preservation to occur simultaneously. Once the sardines are cooked, workers or automated systems carefully arrange them inside cans. Presentation matters. Consumers expect neatly packed fish with a consistent appearance. Sealing is one of the most important steps in the entire process. Specialized machines attach lids using precision-engineered seams. Many systems remove oxygen before final sealing. This creates a vacuum environment inside the can. Without oxygen, spoilage is significantly reduced. The airtight seal protects the product from contamination and extends shelf life for years. Even tiny imperfections could compromise food safety. For this reason, manufacturers continuously inspect and test sealed containers. Quality control at this stage is extremely rigorous. Advanced imaging systems may scan containers for defects. Laboratories conduct additional analyses to ensure compliance with food safety regulations. Only products that meet strict standards are approved for distribution. This commitment to quality helps maintain consumer confidence worldwide. Beyond convenience, sardines offer impressive nutritional benefits. They are naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients associated with heart and brain health. They also provide high-quality protein, making them an excellent source of nutrition. Because sardines are often consumed with their softened, edible bones, they are rich in calcium and phosphorus. They also contain vitamin D, an essential nutrient for bone health. For many people around the world, canned sardines represent one of the most affordable and accessible sources of important nutrients. This combination of nutrition, affordability, and long shelf life explains their enduring popularity. From advanced sonar systems and massive fishing fleets to high-tech factories capable of processing millions of fish, the journey of canned sardines is a remarkable example of modern food production. What begins as a shimmering school of fish in the ocean eventually becomes a safe, nutritious product enjoyed by people across the globe. The next time you open a can of sardines, remember the incredible chain of technology, logistics, and human effort that made it possible. A journey that starts beneath the waves and ends on tables around the world. And that is how billions of sardines are transformed into one of the most successful canned foods ever created.